Good morning. This is Don again with the Reasonable Realtor. That's thereasonablerealtor.com. Um, it's a website for people that have a house and do different things with their house. At any rate, I want to introduce you to a new article this morning. It's dealing with the three lies that people tell themselves regarding refinancing their house. The three lies being, of course, that you've waited too late. The interest rates are by the time you get through, they're going to be lousy. The second lie is the fact that, gosh, it takes forever to refinance. And the third lie is that whether it's an ARM or whatever your type of loan is, you can't refinance that kind of loan. So we just bust those three lies, those three myths right up in this article. Short read, think you'll enjoy it. If you get a chance, do go to thereasonablerealtor.com and take a quick look at it. If you like it, like it. If you like the website, subscribe to it. If you get an opportunity and you're so inclined, subscribe to this YouTube channel. That will be very good for me. If you have questions, put them below. Ask me. I will answer every one of your questions. I will also put below here in the text area a link to today's article about the three lies about refinancing your house. Thank you once again for letting me come and sit and talk to you. See you later.